5 ways debt consolidation can help you. Debt piles up when you don't make enough to cover your expenses. This ends up putting you into an endless cycle of making payments but never lowering balances. Debt consolidation can help, but there are some things you need to be aware of. Number 1. Review your credit. Prior to entering into consolidation agreements, review your own credit report. To fully understand how to fix your debt, you're going to need to know where it's coming from. Find out how much you owe and whom you owe it to. You won't be able to get anything fixed if you are not sure of these things. Number 2. Non-profit means nothing. Just because a debt consolidation firm says they are non-profit, that does not make them a good choice. Be sure to check out the Better Business Bureau to find reviews and ratings of any debt consolidation company you are considering. Number 3. Debt consolidation loan. Debt consolidation loans don't affect credit scores. Although certain debt reduction strategies will negatively impact your credit, consolidation loans simply assist you in reducing your bills and interest rates. If you keep up with payments, it will be quite powerful for you. Number 4. Talk to creditors. Inform your creditors that you are working with a company to handle your debt consolidation. They could discuss alternative arrangements for you. They aren't automatically aware you are speaking with a debt consolidation company. Number 5. Which debts to consolidate. When consolidating your debts, make sure to consider which debts are worth consolidating and which should be kept separate. If you already have 0% interest loans, you don't want to consolidate them. Go over every loan you already have out with a lender to be sure the decisions you are making are smart ones. Paying off what's owed is the main way to get out of debt. Consolidating your debt may be the answer to your money problems. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.